So everybody's talking about Pips, the New York Times new puzzle. And if you've opened it and gone, what on earth am I looking at? You're not on your own. It looks a lot more complicated than it is. Give me 2 minutes and I'll have you playing it properly. Right, the basics. Pips gives you two things, a board made up of empty cells and a handful of dominoes. Same dominoes you know, 0 to 6 dots on each end. The dots are called pips. That's where the name comes from. Your whole job is to place every single domino onto the board so it's completely filled. That's the game, dead simple so far. Now here's the twist. The board's split into little coloured regions and each region has a rule you've got to satisfy. A domino covers 2 cells at once, so where you drop it matters. When a region's rule is happy, it turns green. When every region on the board is green, you've solved it. So really, you're just reading the clues and slotting dominoes in to keep everything happy. Now, the 2 rules you'll see the most. First one, equal, marked with an equal signs. Every cell in that region has to have the exact same number of pips. So 2 3s matching sorted. Second one, sum. And it shows a number like 6. The pips in that region have to add up to that number. So a 4 and a 2 make 6. Happy days. Master those 2 and you can play most puzzles already. Then a few more to watch for. You'll get greater than or less than shown with an arrow and a number, like more than 7, so your pips have to total above or below it. And you'll get not equal, that funny sign with the line through it, which means all different. No 2 pips in that region the same. That's genuinely the lot. Equal sum, greater or less than, and all different. And there's a level to suit you. Easy is a gentle few dominoes to warm up. Medium's a nice balance. Challenge and hard is a proper big board if you fancy a real head scratcher. You'll find them all in the New York Times Games app or online. Plenty free to play with a subscription if you want the whole lot. So that's Pips. Read the badges, place your dominoes and turn every region green. Honestly, once it clicks, it's dead addictive. Have a go at today's and tell me below how you got on.